A piece of cloth or a headscarf that Muslim women use to cover their heads is called a hijab. Hijab is the dignity of a Muslim woman. Hijab is used by Muslim women to maintain modesty. Hijab is an Arabic word that means to hide. Islam emphasizes hijab or veiling for women. The word hijab has different meanings such as concealment or shelter. In Islam, hijab refers to complete clothing. The word hijab is used in the Quran. Hijab means to be completely hidden so that men are not attracted to them. A Muslim woman does not go to the extreme of her beauty, but that does not mean that she cannot wear nice clothes or jewelry. Indeed, some non-Muslims have created many misconceptions about hijab. One of them is that Muslim women are forced to wear hijab. Another misconception is that hijab is hot or restricted here. Hijab is not limited to a specific fabric or color. The purpose of hijab is to cover the body or hair. Woman in Islam means completely covered. Therefore, wearing hijab is obligatory for a Muslim woman. It enhances her dignity and respect. Not only Arab women living in Europe and America wear this cloth on their heads, but Muslim women from other countries are also seen wearing the same hijab. Now its usefulness is more of an identification mark that this woman is a Muslim than a veil. Today, the global society has presented such models of clothing, which are based on the negation of divine and otherworldly values, and in which the values of the material world and external beauty and adornment are dependent. In Islam, hijab has been considered as a focus from different aspects of jurisprudence, social, moral and culture, and Islam has supported the same clothing that helps a person to become pious and pure. It has been suggested and prohibited among them from imitating the dress of strangers and imitating the disbelievers. Allah Almighty addresses the Prophet of Islam in the Quran and says, "O Prophet, say to your wives and daughters and the women of the believers that you will not harm them. Tell the women to leave their veils hanging over themselves, that this way is closer to their identity or modesty, and thus they will not be tormented, and God is most merciful." Islam gives great importance to women as a mother, wife and a sister. Islam gifted her with a specific garment to preserve his dignity or protect his personality from harm or the sensual world. In this way, Islam protects the chastity of women and blocks the way to any practice that can exploit her and lead her to a mire of vices and a foolish or useless life. In Surah Al-Nur, Allah Almighty said, "And tell the believing women to lower their gazes and guard their private parts." The purpose of hijab is to cover the body or hair. Woman in Islam means completely covered. Therefore, wearing hijab is mandatory for a Muslim woman. It increases her dignity and honor. Hijab is that which includes the veil of the face. The Prophet of Islam, PBUH, preferred that a Muslim woman should wear 2 layers of clothing. The proper dress of a Muslim girl should fulfill 4 conditions. Her clothing should not be tight, her clothing should not reveal her body shape, her clothing should not resemble men's clothing.